So today we're talking about the head units on a Mini constantly rebooting. This is an issue that's plagued both BMWs and Minis for the last couple of years. This is only relevant to the F series platform, so not the older R series platform. If you have this key, this is an F series key. These are wireless, they just keep them about them in the car. This is relevant to your vehicle. This is the older R series key, so this is the one you slot in the dashboard. Sadly, none of these are covered. They do still have a few issues, but none of them are relevant to what I'm talking about today. So what they tend to do is they get stuck on a boot loop. So when you turn the car on, they work, they look like they're about to just carry on and do their thing, but then they restart and you get the logo as it reboots itself. That is an issue that we've had, and historically we've had to change the whole unit. They worked out about £1,400 by the time they were fitted and programmed, and there was no way around it. However, today we deal with them slightly differently, and we now deal with them in the way of software. So we do a complete vehicle software update, and we bring everything back up to the latest version. As you can see, this particular unit is restarting, and it just gets stuck on this logo, and there's nothing you can do with the unit because by the time you try and select any option, it reboots itself again. We've never had an issue with these since, so once they are updated, they come back to life, they all work. We've probably done in excess of 100 of these now over the BMW and Mini platforms, and all of them have come back from the dead and they all start working again, which is really good. So it has been addressed. Sadly, BMW haven't addressed this issue themselves. So yes, they will offer it. Yes, they will update the cars and do what they need to do. They won't, however, provide it for free. It is a paid for service. So the cost of this upgrade is $119.52. That updates the complete vehicle software. Have a look on our website. We're at bmwspecialistreading.co.uk, or give us a call on 01189 583481 and we'll get that car back on the road as it should be.